Jiangguo Road / Le Meridien / Le May Chinese restaurant. Come here with pleasure and return with pleasure. Formerly known as Li Fang Amy and Sands Department Store, the Cantonese restaurant Le May Chinese restaurant on the third floor has recently launched a 50% off promotion on Hong Kong-style dim sum until the end of the year. As a bourgeois person who loves food, I passed by, so how could I miss it? Woolen cloth. Look what you ordered today. Black pepper duck meat and snow mountain buns, reservation required, Amy's fresh shrimp dumplings, whole abalone, steamed siomai, crispy sea king rice rolls, custard quicksand buns, concubine's smile, raw egg white, almond tea, exquisite color and fragrance, no surprises in any of them, you can enjoy it in large pieces. At Le Meridien Taichung. The staff are friendly and professional. Whether guiding you to your seat or helping to refill food, you can feel their attentiveness and enthusiasm, making the overall dining experience more pleasant. In terms of environment, the restaurant is clean and comfortable, suitable for family or friends gatherings. In short, it is a gourmet journey worth remembering. The seats are spacious, the food is exquisite, and the service is good. When you encounter questions about meals, you can respond effectively. The trays are collected quickly. The cooked food is small but still enough. Overall, it is worth the money. The sashimi is not too thin, the dining environment is comfortable, and the service staff will always pay attention to take away the plates. I personally like beef soup, freshly grilled salmon, chicken thighs, and freshly made crepes and cinnamon rolls. The quality is very good and the platform offers great discounts. I highly recommend this great restaurant. Very comfortable dining environment, great dining experience, seafood and sashimi are very fresh, steak, salmon and pizza are also very delicious. Recommended for everyone to come. Not bad, everything is fresh and delicious, but the items are a bit lacking. It's a good deal to buy meal coupons, and it's even more valuable if you add coupons for discounts. Not bad, everything is fresh and delicious, but the items are a bit lacking. It's a good deal to buy meal coupons, and it's even more valuable if you add coupons for discounts. This is the second time. The dining environment is comfortable and clean. The service staff are very kind and tidy up the table very diligently. I will come again. The richness of the dishes and the environment are quite good, and the CP value of buying meal coupons is also very high, recommended.